Here's how to design blog page in WordPress. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important step. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Install the theme you desire. I recommend Astra as it offers full customization with Elementor's drag-and-drop page builder. Now, click on Add New Plugin and search for Blog Designer Pack. Install and activate this plugin. Next, search for Elementor, install and activate it as well. Let's create a new page. Write your page title and click Publish. Now go back to open Blog Designer Pack. Select your layout and click Create Shortcode. You'll get a preview of your posts and general preferences. Customize as you desire. Then, copy the shortcode. Now, edit the page we just created and click Edit with Elementor. Logged-in users can access pre-created blocks from the library. Search for shortcode and drag it to where you want to show posts. Paste the shortcode in the left box. Your designed posts will be displayed. You can also use Elementor's built-in code block by searching in the left box. Apply almost every customization on the built-in blocks. Once you're done, click the Update button. With this method, you can design any layout you want without coding. It's simple and powerful. Open your page, and it's done. Now you have a beautifully designed WordPress page. Happy designing and enjoy your coding-free journey.